this is working. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to yell. Alright, hopefully I'm yelling loud enough here. I've got way too much stuff going on here to deal with a simple low audio problem. I've got a different camera up here, and I know I got cords getting in the way. This camera, black and white one, would not, I can't, because it's so large and bulky on the mount that I use, I couldn't tilt it far enough to show the bench top here. And the only other camera I have that would work will only fit upside down, so that's why the video is upside down. And I think I have to shout, and I'm not sure why. This seems to be an intermittent problem here with the audio level. And not a whole lot I can do with it. But I wanted to make this video for bratwurst, or I guess anybody else that's interested in how I'm going to get bratwurst involved in the 2 a.m. net here. And I'm doing this live just because, believe it or not, this ridiculous setup with extra cameras and extra wires is actually easier for me to do than set up some other camera in here to do exactly the same thing. And now the camera is going berserk, so I'm not sure if we're still working here or not, but I'll keep going just in case we are, I guess. Get some more light here. There we go. Alright. First things first, I have not opened this yet, but I know what it is. This is a phone patch. And this is this is item number 1 here. I can't see where that's, hopefully you guys can see that. This is a Gonset branded phone patch. And I waited to get one of these because it matches my Gonset radio that I use for the 2 a.m. net. Now, I don't know how well this shows up on camera, but this phone patch is typical later Gonset style. It looks like something that belongs in a car from that era. And what this does, if I ever figure out how to do it, which I hope to do very soon here, this allows me to get a phone line over the radio. And the reason, of course, is to get Bratwurst, who does not have an amateur radio license yet, and even then wouldn't have the capability to get a signal here over 2 meters. We can get him involved in the net by, hopefully, he can make a phone call and be on the air with us. So the phone patch, somehow I will plug in this Google Voice module. It's an OB-Hi OB202 or something. The other, I have a 101 and that one will not work. This is, I think, a 202. Yep, OB202. And what this does is get me a phone line over the internet using Google Voice. Now, I'm not 100% sure I can do that yet because Google Voice is very obstinate about how you can connect a phone line, so that has yet to be seen, but I think it'll work. Internet to Google Voice, and Google Voice to this contraption here, which is really not necessary, but that will give me pulse dialing on my rotary phone should I need a phone. And of course everything will connect to the phone patch, and the phone patch will connect to the radio. And I'm going to have a fun time adapting connectors, I can tell you that. I'm not going to have anything that plugs in there, so I'll have to make something work. And I'll probably have to open this up and make sure it's safe to power up and operate. Not even exactly sure how to work it. We'll figure that out. So there you have it. Hopefully you can hear me. These are the pieces, parts I need to put together and figure out how to work. And if all goes well, by next month's 2 a.m. net, which is 14th of April. Hopefully by the 14th of April I have this all working, and we have Bratwurst, who hopefully also will be available, and he can sign in and check into our net over the phone. So there you have it. Hopefully this video worked. Hopefully at least Bratwurst found it, and I guess if anybody else is interested in what we do here on the 2 a.m. net, hopefully you found it too and you can hear me. Thank you for watching.